Here are 3 news stories from the world of the cryptocurrency industry. First, news. Japanese MicroStrategy allocates another $6.3 million to Bitcoin. The Japanese investment and consulting company Metaplanet will continue purchasing Bitcoin. Tokyo-based Metaplanet plans to issue unsecured bonds worth 1 billion yen, $6.3 million, to increase its current cryptocurrency assets. The board of directors approved the decision on Monday, June 24. According to the document, the interest rate on the bonds will be 0.5%. The term and coupon payment period is 1 year. According to Metaplanet representatives, the bitcoins purchased with the funds are intended for long-term storage. The market reacted positively to the company's plans. According to Yahoo Finance, Metaplanet's shares jumped by 9.2%, reaching 95 yen, 60 cents. Since the beginning of the year, this figure has increased by a total of 500%. The firm first invested in Bitcoin in mid-May of this year, when Metaplanet acquired 117 BTC, stating that in response to ongoing economic pressure in Japan, it adheres to a Bitcoin-first, Bitcoin-only strategy. In June, the company bought another 23.25 BTC, increasing its Bitcoin balance to 141.07 BTC. Metaplanet's average purchase price of cryptocurrency is 10.28 million yen, or $65,365 per token. Considering that Bitcoin prices have been steadily falling recently, the firm's strategy is currently in the red. According to CoinGecko, over the past 24 hours, the price of BTC has fallen by 2.4%, and over the week by 5%. At the time of writing, the asset is trading at $62,815, almost 15% below the all-time high reached by Bitcoin in March this year. Second, news. Notcoin price stuck in bearish trend. Notcoin's price fell below the descending trend line at the beginning of the month and has continued to move below it since then. In mid-June, Notcoin attempted to break above the descending trend line but failed to establish it as support. Notcoin is a gaming Web3 project based on the Ton network, which appeared in January of this year as a mini application on Telegram. Last month, Not became available on many major exchanges, and at the beginning of June, it entered the top 4 cryptocurrencies by transaction volume. Currently, the price may continue to fall and lose a key support level. This is indicated by the Relative Strength Index, RSI, which remains in the bearish zone, signaling significant selling pressure. This technical indicator helps determine overbought or oversold conditions in the market. It currently shows that investors are mostly selling their NOT tokens, putting pressure on the price. Despite the oversold condition, a recovery in Notcoin may have to wait. Usually, an oversold RSI signals a possible rebound, but sustained selling pressure suggests prolonged weakness. Additionally, over the past week, long contracts worth more than $11.5 million were liquidated. This mass liquidation underscores both bearish market conditions and a lack of investor confidence. The combination of all the aforementioned factors strengthens the unfavorable scenario for NOT and suggests that the bearish momentum will continue in the near future. The price has already failed to overcome the descending trend line this week. Now the coin may fall below the key support level of $0.0130. This level has been tested before, so there is a chance it will offer some resistance. However, a successful break below it could send NOT to the next critical support at $0.01000. On the other hand, a bounce from $0.0130 could trigger a recovery rally. If the descending trend line is overcome and $0.0150 becomes a support level, the token could invalidate the bearish scenario. Third, news. Cryptocurrency market plunges into a real correction. Last week, from June 17 to June 21, cryptocurrency-based investment products lost $584 million. CoinShares analysts have recorded an outflow of funds from cryptocurrency funds for the second week in a row. Why are there outflows? Over the past 2 weeks, digital asset-based investment products have lost $1.2 billion. Experts associate the negative trend with investor pessimism, doubting that the U.S. Federal Reserve will lower the interest rate this year. According to the report, last week saw the lowest trading volume of ETPs since the launch of U.S. spot ETFs in January, $6.9 billion. The largest outflow occurred from U.S. crypto funds, $475 million. Investors withdrew $109 million from Canadian products and $24 million and $19 million from German and Hong Kong products, respectively. In Switzerland and Brazil, on the contrary, there was an inflow of capital of $39 million and $48.5 million. Bitcoin-based products saw an outflow of $630 million. At the same time, negative market sentiment led participants to increase short positions, with an outflow of $1.2 million from those. The negative trend also affected Ethereum. Funds focused on ETH suffered losses of $58 million. Nevertheless, there were inflows into funds for a number of altcoins. The most notable were Solana, Litecoin, and Polygon, which received $2.7 million, $1.3 million, and $1 million, respectively.